What is up, TikTok and other social media platforms? Today we got an unboxing. We got the Nike Dunk Low Retro white and black, size 13, also known as the Pandas. I tried to get the high tops, but they didn't have my size. Pretty difficult to find a size 13 in any kind of shoe. But this right here is the Pandas. Nike in the back, black swoosh, like a patent leather. Not really like a suede or anything like that. Black sole, black shoelaces. If you'd like to see more videos like this, like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.